You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. South Korean singer and actor of the group EXO. Let's break down the pronunciation in Korean first. Xiumin. So that's quite easy once you know that the X is pronounced somewhat like SH essentially. Xiumin. If you want to learn more names from EXO, make sure to stay tuned. Xiumin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.